Located in Thayer, in the heart of the Puy-de-Dôme in France, Tirres have specialized for over 130 years in the craft of making cutlery, in particular the manufacturing of straight razors. Tirres also makes a range of industrial blades, professional knives, sabatier 4-star elephant or closing knives, straight razors, and accessories for shaving, as well as knives for professionals such as electricians' knives. The knowledge to make these pieces has been passed down from father to son for 7 generations. Over that time, the company has modernized and equipped itself with the tools needed to overcome the repetitive tasks. Sale of these items is reserved for the professionals, who appreciate the diversity of the creations and the quality of manufacturing. Our founder, Pierre Thayer, specialized in the forge of the straight razor. In his time, in 1880, it took 30 different operations to make a straight razor. Currently, we have 54. For the sabatier 4-star elephant knives, 20 operations were necessary. At present, 35 are essential. Over time, we added GR pocket knives, Suzette Rodier craft knives, and many other products. We use a variety of woods from around the world, as well as ancestral and historic noble materials such as ebony, affair, and horn. Because here, honor is taken in making everything locally, with 1,200 square meters of manufacturing and shipping next to our showroom.